Hi guys! For today's video, I'm going to be padding my dress form and sewing a dress form cover. The materials you're going to need for this project are quilting batting, stuffing, an old bra, and about 2 yards of stretchy fabric. You're also going to need the dress form that you're planning on resizing, and basic sewing materials such as pins, a sewing machine, and thread. To start off, I'm wrapping a length of quilting batting around the front portion of my mannequin's waist. I'm going to use pins and an erasable marker to keep track of the seams. This way, I can make a cover that has the same seam placement as the original dress form. Moving on to the back, I'm going to repeat the same process here, although there's only one seam in the back that I have to pay attention to, so it's a bit easier. I am also starting to use some scrap pieces so that I don't waste materials. Here's where the stuffing comes in. To add extra width to the dress form without using too much batting, I'm shoving stuffing between the batting and the actual dress form. I also think that the stuffing is easier to manipulate than the quilting batting since it can take any shape you want, not just a flat sheet. Since the pins marking the seam lines are a little in the way, I found that using a pencil or another skinny object to push the stuffing up worked a lot better than just using my hands. From here, adjust as needed according to your measurements. I'm using this old bra. It's wireless and strapless to make things easier, but you can use any bra you want. The padding of the bra is going to get the chest measurement up a bit, and additional stuffing in the bra will also help make the chest bigger if needed. Pin down the bra and we're on to our next step. Here I am using an erasable marker to more clearly outline and define where my seams will go. This marker will go away with heat, but these marker marks will be on the inside anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Once again, adjust as needed. I ended up having to adjust the hip measurement quite a bit. Just remember to keep track of where your seams will be by marking them like I'm doing here. Now we're going to start with our stretch fabric. Make sure that the stretch is going horizontally. Pin the fabric to your mannequin and trace the seams with a washable or erasable pen or marker. I am starting with a side panel, tracing where I can see and feel the seams. Remember that when you cut out these pieces, you need to add seam allowance. Once you have all the pieces cut out, sew the front pieces together and the back pieces together. To make the cover fitted, pin a dart in each shoulder and sew it. Then you can sew the front and back together. Here it is sewn together. Now I just need to add the circular neck part. To finish off the dress form cover, I'm going to remove it from the dress form, sew a basting stitch along the bottom, and then pull the bottom thread tight to tighten the fabric around the bottom of the dress form. This is a very temporary method to finish off the dress form cover, as I want to be able to easily modify my dress form later on. Last but not least, I'm going to steam the cover to get out any wrinkles and to get rid of the marker marks. Thanks for watching! If you like what you see here, consider giving us a like, comment, and subscribe!